In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello. By the end, you'll know how to create a board, add tasks, set a due date, switch between helpful views, and share your work with others, all in a clean, confident workflow. Start by heading to Trello.com in your browser. Once you're on the home page and ready to begin, look for the option to create a new board within a workspace. Choose Create a Workspace Board. A workspace is simply the home for one or more boards that belong together, like your team or a specific project, so creating your board here keeps everything organized. You'll see options to personalize your board right away. Pick a background you like, anything from a solid color to a photo. This doesn't affect how the board works, but it makes your workspace feel comfortable and easier to recognize at a glance. Next, give your board a clear title. Keep it short and descriptive so you and anyone you invite instantly know what it's for. Before creating the board, check the visibility and workspace settings. Choose the visibility that fits your needs. Private if it's just for you or a small group, workspace if it should be visible to your team, or public if you want it accessible to anyone with the link. Then confirm which workspace the board belongs to, especially if you're a member of more than one. At this point, you can decide how to get started. If you want to jump start with pre-made lists and ideas, click Start with a template to browse options created by Trello. Templates are great if you'd like common structures like to do, doing, done, or project roadmaps already laid out. If you'd rather begin from scratch, click Create to make a clean, empty board. For this walkthrough, we'll create a blank board. On a fresh board, you'll typically see a few starter lists. Let's add some example tasks as cards. In the to-do list, click plus add a card, type laundry, and then click add card to save it. Over in the doing list, click plus add a card again, type studying, and click add card. Finally, in the done list, click plus add a card, type grocery, and click add card. These simple entries will help us see how cards move through a workflow and how details get added. Now let's edit a card to add more context. On the laundry card, click the pencil icon to open quick actions. Here, you can rename the card, add or edit labels for color coding, choose a cover image, set dates, move or copy the card to another list or board, copy a direct link to share, mirror it to keep it in sync across boards, and more. As a quick example, open the date option and pick a due date on the calendar. Select the 13th, and then click Save. That's all it takes to attach a deadline that appears right on the card, helping you stay on schedule. Trello also gives you powerful ways to view your work beyond the standard board. Near the board title, click the Views button to open additional perspectives. Choose Timeline to see cards plotted across dates, which is perfect for understanding workload and sequencing at a glance. When you're ready to switch, click that same button again and select Table. Table View organizes cards in a spreadsheet-like layout, making it easy to scan fields, compare items, and sort through details. When you're set to collaborate, use the Share button to invite teammates or clients. You can give people the access level that makes sense and work together in real time. Between straightforward card management, calendar-based planning and timeline, and structured overviews and table, Trello scales smoothly from simple to complex projects. That's it. Create your workspace board, choose a background and title, set the right visibility, start from a template or go blank, add cards to your lists, attach a due date, explore timeline and table views, and share when you're ready. Follow these steps and you'll have a clear, flexible system that keeps your tasks moving and your projects on track.